Okay, y'all, so I did my hair, right? And I gotta soak it. That's why she's so stiff. Um, and she's not as full as I want her to be. But the simple fact is, well, I didn't have the hair that I normally would have, so everything went different. Okay, so now, so my hair is, so since my hair isn't as, full as I want it to be, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take, this is a little hack. I'm gonna take these curly pieces, these crochet goddess braids, that's what I really like this, and I'm gonna fill them in until I like it. Now you probably asking, well, why didn't you just use this? Because I didn't. So yeah, so just see how it looks now. I promise you it looks way better in person. It's just not looking as, let me get these curly pieces up and running. It looks way better in person, I promise you. But do you see it? You see it? Boom, boom, boom. All right, so towards the end, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we getting somewhere. We're going to take this goddess lock and we're going to put it right here. Put the latch down. Go in. Hook. Pull the latch up. Pull through. And then we have this. Make sure it's comfortable. If it's not comfortable, take it out. I didn't feel like it was comfortable, so I'm taking it out. And we're going to try this thing again. So we're going to try to go here and all the way through like so. Not halfway through. Okay. Boom. So when I say like, we're just going to move this one out the way so I can show y'all. So when I say go all the way through, not halfway through. So this is halfway through. So if you go here and go like this, that's halfway through. If you put the lock on your hair and try to pull it, I'm gonna show you. If you put the lock, I mean, not the lock, the goddess braid, if you try to put it on here, pull it through, first of all, that's uncomfortable because it's pulling on different parts of my hair because we didn't evenly go through it. So once, if you can get that through, I can't. If you can get it through and then you tighten it, how I'm about to show you how I tighten it, that's gonna hurt. So you wanna make sure you start from here and make sure it's all the way through. So here, all the way under. That way when you pulling through, you're not gonna have a problem. Okay? All right. So let's get this one where we got it. Where is it? Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we got the hoop, we put it through, and we make sure all the curly pieces are out because it kind of jumbles up when you pull it through. If it's not, it's okay, you can fix this, no problemo. So what we're gonna do is we tightening it. So let me show you again. See that? We're pulling and we're tightening. Not too much where it's gonna hurt. So just like that. Boom. Like that. And can you tell the difference? It's just 2 braids on 1 box, which is fine with me. So I basically did I should have showed you guys. Let me show y'all. So I just did 1 row. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just did 1 row going all the way across. And she looks better already. If I want more, I can add more. I think I'm actually happy with how it looks now. I might add a couple more pieces in the front. So when I come back, I'll show you guys. Okay, and she is full. I just put a little bit of hair jewelry on it just to give it some character, you know, just a little bit. And then we have my little, you know, situation. So yeah, And if the hair is knotting up, let me find one of them. Okay, if the hair is knotting up and you find it to be so unruly, all you have to do is snip it a little bit and make them shorter, and that lessens the tangling. So yeah, this was just my quick, you know, thing on how to make it fuller. If you don't want, if you didn't have enough hair, or you know it's not going the way you like it, this is another way to fix it. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. No. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.